Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ram 1500 headlight. Having the right tools makes this job much easier. You will need a ratchet, an 8mm socket, a 10mm socket, and a trim removal tool or a fork. Always wear clean gloves when handling new bulbs. Before starting, park your truck on a flat surface, turn off the engine, and engage the parking brake for safety. Now let's get to the headlight. First, open your hood. You'll see a plastic cover. Gently pull its 6 plastic rivets to remove it. Next, use your 8mm socket to unscrew the 4 bolts holding the grille assembly, then carefully remove the grille. With the grille off, use a 10mm socket to unscrew the 2 bolts securing the headlight. Finally, at the mudguard, remove a plastic rivet with a fork to access the rear retaining system. Once you've spawned, your immediate priority is survival. Start by gathering basic resources like wood, thatch, and stone to craft your first tools. A stone pickaxe and hatchet are vital for efficient resource collection, and a spear offers early defense. Construct a simple shelter, even a small 1x1 hut, to protect yourself from the elements and aggressive creatures. Taming a dodo or lystrosaurus can provide early benefits. Almost done, reposition the headlight assembly and reconnect both power connectors until they click. Secure the headlight by tightening its 2 retaining bolts and pushing the locking tab down. Now, reinstall the grille assembly, securing it with its 4 bolts, and then refit the plastic cover with its 6 rivets. Finally, start your truck and test your new headlights to ensure they are working perfectly before hitting the road.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.